guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall discuss about the regular expressions or regex in Python. Okay, a regex or regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Okay, regular expressions can be used to check if a string contains a specified search pattern or not. Okay, you cannot use the regular expressions directly. We have a module named RE. Let us import it first. It is already pre-installed within Python, so you need not worry about the installation. So we have already imported, so now we are ready to use our regular expressions. Firstly, we want to have a string. Let me have a good day. Now I want to check if my string is starting with have and ending with day. I'll just name a variable s is equals to regular expression dot search. We have different symbols. Do not worry with symbols, you'll get hands-on when you work with it. Okay, I want to check if it starts with have, and also I want to check if it ends with day. Okay, now we have another parameter in the search function, which is the string. Okay, let us give our string. Now we want to print it, right? So if s, I want to print it's a match. If not, I want to print it's not a match. Right, now let us run our program. Yeah, it has returned it's a match as a string is starting with have and ending with day. Okay, and it will not work if you miss any of the symbol here, so get good with regular expression symbols. Okay, now we have different functions: split, search, sub, find all. So let us go through each of them. Okay, firstly we have find all function. The find all function returns a list that contains all the matches. Let us remove all this and let the first two lines be the same. Now I want to find all my A's within my string. I want to check how many A's my string contains. Let us see. Again, name it as str dot find all. Sorry. Firstly a module, then find all. Within that we have two parameters. Firstly the text which we want to search, I want to be A, and again the text or the string within which we want to search, I'll name it as string. Okay, now I will print my s. I'll run the program now. Yeah, we have 3 A's within our string, right? A, and the final A. In this way you can find the list that contains the matches in order that they are found. Okay, now we have already worked with search pattern, and remember that we have some symbols here like this is for the space and cap s is for no space, and we have different symbols which you can find in the description box given below. Please go to them. Okay, yeah, it has returned all spaces. We have 3 spaces in our text, right? So also we have, let us see about split function. Now I'll just replace my find all with split. it also takes two parameters, the place where we want to split, also the string within which we want to split. Okay, I'll write it again. Yeah, we got have a good D. Now what if I change this to A? Yeah, that's split after A, right? So in this way you can use split function, and also we have sub function here. The sub function replaces the matches with the text of your choice. I want my A to be replaced with some. Okay, I'll write again. The str object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Sorry, I haven't changed the function here. I have just changed the parameters, and yeah, the split function takes only two parameters, right? Yeah, our A has been replaced with K, right? Now these are the functions within regular RE module, and also I'll throw some symbols and also these functions within the description box given below. Please practice them, and also do not think that you have these kind of simple problems within your real life. You have to face with bigger problems. These are just for the sample to know the working. Okay, thank you. And if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. And also if you have doubts with your Python projects, you can also reach me.